project using the sampler and the sounds from my kitchen, I wanted to add a little bit more with my rhythm tracks, and I also thought that the project needed a bit of a melody and a chord progression. So let's see what I did. Here's yesterday's kitchen sounds with the addition of my gas burner. Now I'm going to go in and shorten the section to be only 2 bars, plus duplicate that 2 more times. I'm going to go in and delete certain appliances because I want to stagger the entrances so you can really hear what they sound like so that you can recognize them as the project continues to build. Now I'm ready to record my chord progression. I'm going to use the low ice sounds and play the root note of the 1-5-6-4 chord progression. Again, only playing 2 bars because I'll be able to go in and loop it. Now that I looped that, I can copy it and paste it into the track below. From here, I'm going to go to my track settings where I want to actually transpose this up a perfect fifth. Simply tap on transposition and adjust by 7 semitones. Let's play it back and hear what it sounds like. So now I'm going to go in and record the 1-5-6-4 chord progression one more time, just the root notes, using the beep from my dishwasher. I just want to add one more track with the dishwasher beep. It's going to just have a couple of tones that support the chords, but isn't quite a melody yet. This project is definitely coming together, but I still feel like it's missing something. So I'm going to give it some thought and come back to it tomorrow and see what I can fix.